Hey guys, I'm Derek Sarno and I am working with Tesco to bring you some amazing plant-based recipes. Today we're going to be making a wicked mushroom carbonara. Time for the mushroom bacon, guys. I'm a huge mushroom fan and shiitakes are one of my favorite. We're going to start with 240 grams. You can use shiitakes, you could use chestnut, you could use portobello. Slice it really thin. I like to leave the stalks on for the texture and the meatiness. A couple tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Smoked paprika for that baconizing flavor. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. We can never have too much garlic, guys. And we're gonna have some cracked black pepper just to taste. I like getting right in with the food. Just line them up evenly on the parchment paper. So these are ready now. Let's get them in the oven. I just got the water on for the pasta and we're gonna start the sauce. 1 medium onion diced. We're gonna use 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, depending on the size, and chop that up fine. So I'm gonna use 75 grams of dairy-free butter. Add onions and start sauteing them off. We're just looking to get a little bit of translucent color. The garlic, it's nice. 60 grams of plain white flour to make our roux. It's gonna make the sauce nice and thick and creamy, and the texture is gonna be amazing. 200 milliliters of white wine. We're gonna use 700 milliliters unsweetened soy milk. I'm gonna use a whisk. It's because I want to smooth those chunks out into the liquid. 1 tablespoon of miso paste is gonna add that nice salty flavor. Add a nice healthy pinch of the garlic granules. Just a touch of smoked paprika. A little bit of pepper to this. And we'll add some more to the end. That's coming together beautifully. Man, it's spot on. Not even gonna miss the dairy. 500 grams of spaghetti we're gonna add to the boiling water. Keep an eye on that, but I'm also gonna blend the sauce. So we're gonna blend it till it's smooth. Awesome. The mushrooms are nice, they're looking beautiful. Add 240 grams of frozen peas and add them right to the pasta water. I just want that color to pop. It takes 2 seconds, and then I'm gonna strain it in the colander. So I got the peas and pasta, I'm just adding right to the sauce. Pop in 1 tablespoon of capers for that extra salty punch. Add just a few mushrooms to it and mix them in. The rest of the mushrooms I'm gonna use as a garnish. It looks great. We'll finish the dish with some fresh parsley chopped and a couple sprigs on top. So now we're gonna use the mushroom bacon and just sprinkle them around the edge. Put pieces on top for good measure. And there you have it. Vegan mushroom carbonara. So for more amazing vegan recipes, check out tesco.com/realfood. It's amazing, you're gonna love it. Now let me eat.